Are you ready to turn your workplace into a Christmas wonderland? Wondering how to spread holiday cheer without going over budget? In today's video, I'll share some of the most creative and easy-to-implement office Christmas decoration ideas. Whether you're aiming for a classic festive vibe or a modern winter aesthetic, I've got you covered. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to create the perfect holiday ambiance for your office. How can you decorate office desks for Christmas? Answer: transforming desks into festive spaces is a simple way to infuse holiday vibes into the workplace. Here's how. Miniature decor. Use small Christmas trees, fairy lights, or snow globes to bring the festive feel to individual workstations. Personalized touch. Add custom stockings or name tags for team members to make it personal and fun. Holiday colors. Incorporate red, green, and gold-themed desk accessories like pen holders, sticky notes, or coasters. Love these ideas? Don't forget to give this video a like and share it with your colleagues to spread the holiday cheer. What are some wall decoration ideas for an office Christmas theme? Answer: walls are the perfect canvas to showcase your Christmas spirit. Here's what you can do. Holiday backdrops. Use festive wallpapers or large decals like snowflakes, Christmas trees, or Santa-themed stickers. DIY garland. Create garlands with paper cutouts, baubles, or fairy lights to add a crafty and cozy touch. Photo booth corner. Dedicate a wall as a photo booth with Christmas props, perfect for capturing holiday memories. Have a favorite wall decoration idea? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your creative tips. How to create a stunning office Christmas tree. Answer: a Christmas tree is the centerpiece of any holiday decoration. Here's how to make yours stand out. Theme it up. Choose a specific theme like rustic, minimalistic, or vibrant to match your office culture. Ornament variety. Use a mix of baubles, ribbons, and lights, and don't forget a striking tree topper. Office touch. Incorporate office-related items like branded ornaments or employee-made decorations for a unique twist. Want more holiday decorating tips? Check out the playlist in the description for similar videos. What are budget-friendly office decoration ideas for Christmas? Answer: decking the halls doesn't have to cost a fortune. Here are some budget-friendly tips. Repurpose and DIY. Use recycled materials to make wreaths, garlands, or table centerpieces. Team effort. Ask employees to bring a small item from home to collectively decorate the office. LED lights. Opt for energy-efficient LED string lights to save on power while creating a warm ambience. Subscribe to the channel for more affordable and creative office decorating ideas every season. How to decorate office windows for Christmas? Answer: windows are the perfect place to showcase your holiday spirit both indoors and out. Window stickers. Add snowflake decals, frosty patterns, or holiday quotes for a quick festive touch. Curtain lights. Hang cascading string lights to create a magical look visible even after office hours. Mini displays. Set up small holiday scenes like tiny snow villages or Santa's sleigh on the window ledge. Check the description for products featured in this video to get started on your own window displays. How to create a festive office entrance? Answer: first impressions count. Here's how to make your office entrance inviting and festive. Wreath and garland. Hang a vibrant wreath and decorate the entrance with garlands and fairy lights. Themed welcome sign. Use a chalkboard or LED board to write a cheerful Christmas message or countdown. Props and figures. Place life-sized reindeer, Santa, or gift boxes near the entrance for a festive feel. For products you've seen in this video, check the description and bring your office entrance to life. How to decorate the office break room for Christmas? Answer: the break room is where employees recharge, so make it festive and fun. Holiday table setup. Use themed tablecloths, napkins, and mugs to create a cozy vibe. Snack station. Set up a hot cocoa or candy cane bar for everyone to enjoy during breaks. Games and decor. Add a small tree, board games, or holiday trivia to make it a fun gathering spot. Check out the description for links to similar videos with even more office decoration tips. Creating a festive office space is all about spreading joy and building a sense of community among your team. Whether it's desk decorations, dazzling walls, or a welcoming entrance, every small touch makes a big difference. Now it's your turn. Pick your favorite ideas from today's video and get decorating. Remember, the goal is to make your office a place where the holiday spirit shines bright.